Oh, man. So hot out. Ugh.
Hey,
So
Grady.
bored.
What's going on?
Hi, Poppy. Oh, it's just so hot out and my fur gets all sweaty and there's nothing to do. I'm so bored.
There's always something to do, Grady.
Really?
Hang on, I got just the thing.
Really? What's that?
Hi.
Hello. My name's Grady. I'm a Capricorn and
Yeah.
a
Grady, it's just a puppet. It's just a puppet.
puppet.
Yeah.
Puppets are weird.
Yeah.
Yeah, she knows.
I can show you how to make one. It'll be fun.
Okay. Where do we start?
Let's go to the craft room.
Whoa.
All right, first things first.
Oh, don't you? Oh, she's okay.
Let's talk about supplies. We'll need a sock. I found a lonely sock that didn't have a match.
Oh.
We'll need a glue gun
Mm-hmm.
and scissors,
Mm-hmm.
marker,
Yeah.
some stuffing
Ooh.
or cotton balls, and different decorations that we can find around the house to make our puppet unique.
Ooh.
We'll need the downloadable mouth plate template
Mm-hmm.
and a rigid piece of material about the same size.
Oh, like cardboard
Yeah, or a poster board.
or foam board?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And some felt or another kind of piece of fabric that we could use that's about the same size as well.
Like even paper?
Yeah, we could use paper too.
Cool.
All right, everybody, let's get crafting.
Excuse me, everybody?
Yeah, everybody, all the people watching from home.
Oh, hi. I didn't see you there. Huh. Good thing I'm wearing pants.
Okay, step one. We're going to take our mouth plate template and our rigid material, and we're going to trace it all the way around.
Whoa. You're really good at that.
Thanks, Grady. And then right here where this line is, we're going to make a little mark, and then we can use something straight like a ruler
Mm-hmm.
to connect it. And then we're going to cut it out. And we're going to cut across this line in the middle. So we have two pieces.
Whoa.
Next, we're going to trace our mouth plate onto our fabric. For this one, we don't need a center line. There we go. Now it's time for surgery.
Ooh. That sounds dangerous.
Put your hand inside the sock and turn it inside out. Find the seam and put that on the top. And this is where we're going to glue our rigid material.
How do you know where to put that?
Well, if you put the big part on the bottom, it'll have an underbite. Or you can put it at the top.
Ooh.
Okay. Shall we glue?
Let's do it.
Okay. And we'll put a little bit of space right in between these two pieces. And when it's all dry, we'll flip it right side in.
Whoa.
Okay, now our sock is turned right side out, and we're going to glue the mouthpiece on this side of the seam line, right here, right on top of where the rigid material is on the inside.
Oh, and that's the puppet's mouth.
Yeah. All right. Then we need a little bit of stuffing.
Oh, what's that for?
We're going to put it inside of our puppet's face so we can make a nose.
A nose?
Yeah. Put it inside. We'll go all the way in. Okay, now we have the stuffing in the nose and the inside mouth and the outside mouth done.
Are we done?
No.
No.
We need to add some eyes and hair, Grady.
Oh, that's a great idea.
What could we use for eyes?
Sardines?
I don't know, Grady. What about buttons?
Ooh, buttons would work. What about very large boulders?
No, think of something around the house, like pennies.
Ooh, pennies are good. What about, spoons?
Spoons? Like these?
Yeah.
That could work.
Yeah.
Good job, Grady. And we need some hair, too.
For sure.
Here's some ribbon.
Ooh, ribbon would work. What about spaghetti?
Yeah. Okay, well, maybe. What's this?
Pipe cleaner.
That would be
Good
fun.
one. Ooh, I have a great idea. Fur.
You have a lot of it. I think that's a good one. Well,
Yeah.
what do you say we get crafting?
Let's do it.
Well, Grady, did you finish your puppet?
I did. Did you finish yours?
Yeah.
What now?
Well, how about we cover our eyes and count to 3 and then reveal our puppets?
I love it.
Okay.
Ready?
1, 2,
3. Ta-da!
Oh, wow. Grady.
Wow, yours is amazing, Poppy. What'd you use?
Well, I used buttons for the eyes and a pipe cleaner and some gold ribbon.
Wow, that's really neat. Look at mine. I used little googly eyes for the eyes and my own fur for the hair. And check this out. Snazzy little bow tie out of felt.
What a lovely bow tie. How handsome.
Very formal.
Yes, very formal.
So what now?
Well, should we have a puppet show?
Yes, I have always loved puppets.
Okay, Grady. All right, let's get down here.
Hey guys, there's no time for that! There's a sock hop happening! Come on!
What?
What? Well, thanks, Mesquite Art Council, for having us.
Yeah, thanks.
We'll see you next time.
Bye. Hey, come back. We need those.